Guys, it's Thursday, March 19th, 2020, and I've got a final update for you on the painting of this guy. I finally got it done yesterday, got it put together this morning, and it's a little cold out here this morning, but I'm gonna flip the camera around and give you just a quick walk around because there's not a lot to show except all the painting. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, forgive the shadows because I've got a really nice bright spring sunlight going this morning, but I got everything put on and painted. It actually turned out really good. I'm 99% pleased with it. I've got some touch up I've got to do, but that's actually not that big a deal, but it looks really good. So I got all the details on this morning. I put on the handrails here on the side and the horn on the top, and put the hood on this morning. And it's yeah, nice shadows, huh? But I got to get a big shout out to Miracle Graphics, Connie at Connie Miracle, man. If you got anything to do, as far as stenciling, graphics, she can do it. And actually, she got these things out to me really quick. I mean, it was 2 weeks and I had it. So let's see, we gotta put a Santa Fe emblem on the back. Got the car number, as well as a build date. This car was built in '08, so I'm going to keep that. And I've got the car number is actually my engineer seniority date for the Santa Fe. It was March 27th, 1981. So that's the number for the car, which actually that's anniversary is coming up a little bit. So I've also got the seat for the riding car relocated, which is going to be so much nicer. And the car matches the locomotive. And all's good. So, like they said with the driving of the Golden Spike, when the last bike was driven, done. So this is a done deal. And I'll try to keep you updated. I may do some updates on it, I'm not sure, but appreciate you guys sticking in and following the 4 updates on this thing, and I can get back to working on the model railroad. So you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon.